I feel something in here.
Can't stand it. So the next thing you're gonna feel is poop in your ear.
Oh, yay.
Ready? Let's go for it.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Ah, gosh! Yeah, you want this?
You'll feel poop on your eyeball next.
Try to slide in your face. Monkey! Ah, it's piercing my ear. Ah!
What ear?
Ow. No, Mom, no. It's gonna fall into my ear and that's gonna hurt. Ah, that's my eye bird. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
You need to try to find something that can keep that, whatever that stuff is.
Smell it?
Yeah, that's it. On the, top thing. Oh, yeah, that's it.
What are you talking about?
Ah!
Hey, smokes.
Oh, he's on your head. It's on your head. No!
Oh my gosh.
Good bird. Get down. Yeah, Jace.
Boom.
Dad, this off now.
Actually, let's go. Good as new.
Yeah! You go, Jace. You're my hero. You are my hero. Do do. Do
Need
do.
a hero, not you are mine.
I need a hero. Smokey does that.
I know. I thought it.
Sure you do.
Yeah, Reese, I did. Just like I taught, the other bird to box.
You didn't teach him how to box.
Yeah, I did.
It's instinct to try to protect himself.
He boxed good.
You're biting your finger. What are you talking about, boxed?
Totally. You don't take no crap from nobody. I made him look in the mirror and told him what he saw. He said, I am
Is it a good hair day or a bad